Hello everyone. I don't know how this is going to work because I'm on a new camera. So this is the first video on this camera and it's going to be a swap video I did with Theresa, who is one of my subscribers. So I'll get showing you what she sent me, and I'm really nervous now because I don't know about this camera. I have got a lot more recording time, so I'm not restricted to just the 20 minutes like I was before. So here goes. Oh, by the way, do you like the new decorating? We've decorated since the last video. So I hope it's not going to be too dull in here. I've got my light up on over there. So here goes. I'm still in the quick, I've got to talk quickly mode. So I've got to slow down. Right, so the first thing Theresa sent me was some jewellery. The first lot comes in this lovely box, and it's called Pagoda. And it is a lovely bracelet, which is it's this lovely green. It's got this gorgeous sparkle. I mean, I'm not sure if this is picking. I don't know how close I need to be. I'm not zoomed in at all at the moment, so I hope this is picking it up. And then it came with these, oh, got one tackled up. This gorgeous pair of earrings. You've got a lighter green stone at the top, and then the darker one at the bottom, and then it's gone round in like a horseshoe shape with the pearl type stones. In the spring and summer, I have I've got quite a bit of green clothing that will look nice with. I think I need to be down a bit. This is going to be, or I'll leave it where it is. I think the camera's a little bit high and I feel like I've got my chin up, but I'll sort that out another time. Oh, and the other piece of jewellery she sent me is this gorgeous bluey, turquoisey blue ring. And that's going to be lovely in the summertime. So I feel you can't wear big rings, and I don't feel you can wear them in the winter because they get caught on everything, your coats and your jumpers and woolies and things. Much better to wear them with jeans, you know, cut off jeans or whatever, skirts and just a t-shirt. They don't get caught on things then. The next thing she sent me was 2 brushes by ELF. This one is the smudge brush. I did have this one, or I do have this one, but you can never do, you know, 2 brushes are, you know, you can always use extra brushes. The next one is an eye defining brush. Now, I didn't have this one. I hope you can pick this up. I haven't taken anything out of the packaging. I've got time to take it out now. So, come on, brush out. It won't come out. There you go, that's what that brush looks like. And it's just oh, it's powdery. I haven't used it, honestly. It must be just the dust in the brush from when the when the bristles were cut. But I think that's going to be a really good brush for getting into the crease. And this one is, oh, I can't get it out again. Is just a short bristled brush, and that is good for getting into the crease as well, and putting down small amounts of eyeshadow. Right. We'll start with this this lipstick I've got on now. It's from Milani, is it? It's there. I'm not quite sure how you're supposed to say it, Milani or Milani. Milani, something like that. Milani. I'm probably murdering that. And it's got this M on the top. The packaging is really, really pretty. I think it's really lovely. So you pull off the top, and then your lipstick's in there, and you've got this twist up bottom, and you can twist it back down. So that is that colour, and this is what I'm wearing on my lips today. I really love this lipstick. It's one of my favourites that she got me. And then, oh, did I tell you what it was? It was called Lovely Rouge 106. And I got another one here which is called Ignite, and it's 113. This is like a corally red type colour, which is really, really pretty. See that there? I hope this is recording all right. And then she got me 3 Wet n Wild lipsticks, which I absolutely love. The first one is called Red Velvet 91D. Now you always have to be careful with these because the lipstick comes up above the top of the container, and I quite often catch the lid as I take it off. Now I don't wear red lipsticks because I can't find the right shade that looks right on me. I've worn this twice now. Even my husband likes it because he's not keen, he's not a red lipstick person. Even he likes it. Oops, that's dropped it. Didn't damage it. And it's just the right shade of red for me. It doesn't make my teeth look yellow. It suits my skin tone. So well done, Theresa. You've chosen that for me without even seeing me in person. The next one is called Raisin, and it's 916D. I have been looking at this on eBay, wanting to buy it. But the postage was absolutely dreadful price, so I haven't got it. And now I've got it. And it's such a lovely plummy damson vampy colour. It is absolutely amazing. Worn this one too. I got this parcel on Monday, and I think I've had a different lipstick on every day out of this package rather. Next one is called Mauve 907C. I did say these are all Wet n Wild, aren't they? They are on the matte side of lipsticks, but I don't mind that as long as you've put a moisturiser on your lips first. They work out fine for me. If you want, you can put a lip gloss over the top, and it does work. And speaking of lip gloss, this one works really well because it's like it's a clear. It is pink in the tube, but when you get it out, it is quite clear. And I have worn that, and it's like that. And it's called, I didn't show you, did I? On one side it's Luscious Lips. On the other side, Bonarel. I'm not quite sure about that. And it's in Strawberry. And it's just on a applicator like that. And it's just a, I don't know if you can see that. Just a clear gloss, and you can wear over those matte lipsticks quite well. It works really well. And then she sent me a Revlon lip gloss in Bordeaux. That looks like that. And the colour is one of my favourites. It's the reddy burgundy colours again. And that's that one. Really, really pretty on the lips, that one. And then I got 3 eyeshadow palettes. Now what kicked this swap off with, what actually kicked the swap off was this eyeshadow palette from Revlon. It's called Custom Eyes. And I saw Theresa used it in one of her videos, and I absolutely love the colours in here. It comes with this applicator, which isn't too bad. I have used that end for doing under my eyes, because I realised, I looked in the mirror the other day and I realised that I hadn't finished off my makeup under my eyes, and I'd put my brushes away, so I used that, and it just works quite well. And what you've got in here is varying sort of shades of brown to like a brow bone colour. We'll start at the top, which is the darkest colour, and then that one's the next one down. And then you've got the cream shade. I'll try and swatch those on my hand. I've got enough room. I didn't bring a tissue with me. So you've got the darkest colour, then you've got the middle colour, and then there's the brow bone colour there. Oh, excuse me, I think I've got a tissue somewhere. Sorry about that, leaving you with a bare wall. Right, I can wipe my fingers at least. I was going that way down, wasn't I? And then there's that colour. They're all sort of like varying shades of brown, which I think are lovely. There you go. Let's see if I can get a little bit more on the lighter shade. There you go. You can see the lighter shade a little bit better there. And I'll see if I can rub some of this off. It's all going to rub it. Oh, I've got an awful mess now. I needed a wet wipe, really. Awful mess. But at least I can get some more colours on my hand, I hope. So the next one was Foreshadows from Hard Candy. This is really novel. It's like material, and obviously meant to look like snakeskin. And you get two little ones there, applicators. Now these are all quite sparkly. You get a cream one there, and then you get, it's more of a beigey colour. See if I can get those on my, yeah. There you go, that's the lighter colour. And then that is the, which way is it? Can't see. That's the lighter colour, and that's the beigier one. You can't really see there, can you, where I've done those? I'll try my arm. I'll get this right eventually. I must remember, must Caroline, you must remember to bring wet wipes. Is that showing up? I don't think it is. There's the darker one, there's the lighter one. Oh. And then there's two greens in the packet. These greens are absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous greens. Oh, those light up better. I think I'm going to have to move my lighting so you can see better. Doesn't quite work the same in the same position as it did on the other camera for showing swatches and things. I nearly need sort of this video is like I say, the first video with this camera, so sort of bit, you know, please, you know, bear in mind that, you know, I'm only just playing with it, and I've obviously got to get the lighting right. The next one is from Almay, and it's a trio. You've got a really light green, and you've got this darker green, which is so pretty, and this colour, this lilac colour, is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I'll just show you on my fingers, you can see there, rather than trying to get them onto the back of my hand. Now I have these colours on my eyes today, but I have been rushing around, I have been shopping, and I have been out all day. But that is what it sort of looks like. But I have had them on all day, and it's getting quite late in the day now. I think that's it. I said the lipstick that I've got on is that one, which is the Milani one in Lovely Rouge. I have a lovely lip pencil that I got the other day that actually goes with this lipstick very well, which is Rimmel, and it's called Black Tulip. Where is it? Black Tulip. And that goes really well as a lip liner with this lipstick, because I do like to wear a lip liner with my lipsticks. Goes really well. Alright, I will get this uploaded and see how we go. So I'll see you again soon. Bye.